Alright, so this is the oven, powder coating oven. Made this whole thing from scratch, pretty much, down to the frame. So, about 8 foot tall. It's all sealed up, completely sealed. Got a secondary door here that is, got a magnet there that keeps it closed. And it's also sealed. You need the door so you can check the temperature of the object or whatever that you're coating, so you know it's at the right temperature. Yeah, I've got lights in here, places to hang stuff, switches for the lights, so when you open the door, lights turn on, multiple coils, elements, gets up to about 450 degrees in here. Yeah, and everything here was pretty much designed by me. It's not like a do-it-yourself kit. You buy it and build it in a day or two with a friend. This took me like probably 2 months or so to build from start to finish. Everything had to be, every little piece had to be designed and, you know, cut and measured and measured again and then cut, etc., etc. So, pretty cool. I'm pretty proud of it. Works pretty well. Yeah, this is a transmission case that I powder coated the other day, and today I will be putting all the internals back in, and hopefully tomorrow or the next day it'll be back in the Jeep. So yeah. And that is it.